Hey traders, if you've been trading for a while without success that you've been dreaming about, you're probably making the number one mistake that keeps traders out of the winner's circle. You've tried every indicator, you bought every course, you keep pouring money into your trading account, but never ever making a one withdrawal. The good news is that it's not your fault. You just need one piece of information. Now, once you have this one piece of information, you will soon have the key to limitless success. The great part about this is that you have this money code. Unlocking this information that you already possess can turn all your years of losses around. What is the key? The number one mistake that traders make is they don't know what type of trader they should be. Most people jump into a trading style willy nilly, winging it, and that is a costly error. You're trying to fit your lifestyle around trading instead of choosing the trading style to fit around your lifestyle. The key is knowing what type of trader you are. Once you know what your trader personality style is, then you can see more success in a natural way, a way of trading that fits in with your job, your business, your budget, your family. And once you know this, trading will be more natural and not forced. Stress free consistency await you today. Find out what type of trader you are by taking a short quiz today by clicking the link below.